Yeah. Hello. So this is going to be a new test. This is the first footage of the new camera setup. I managed to get a new camera, second-hand, an A7 IV. Nice. Should be a little bit cropped right now because I'm shooting on 4K. I'm still playing with the settings. I am not the best at cameras. I am learning. So this also might not be the best conditions lah to shoot. Wow, I keep looking over there. I'm retraining because it's new camera. Wow.
It's so good. Worth the price. Best purchase of the year, maybe. I'm so jealous of this setup. I'm so jealous. With the amount of money that's spent on mine and compared to yours, I'm so jealous this is happening.
So her setup is way better than mine, guys. I'm just lucky I managed to get a lot of mine second hand. So I just...
This is really good. It's already very good.
I'm just like super blessed. I managed to get a lot of really good deals. I got like a whole rig set up with a microphone which I haven't tested out yet. This is me testing out the microphone. Total everything maybe about less than 10k. Less than 10k with a new lens. This is a new lens by the way. I got a 20mm just for vlogging.
What's your mic?
This should be a Video Mic Pro. It's not Video Mic Pro Plus. This is just Video Mic Pro.
What's the difference?
Video Mic Pro Plus is a little
Goes
bit
further.
no, it's a little bit better. And the most important part is the Video Mic Pro Plus. You don't need to switch it on. It turns on with the camera and turns off with the camera. I used to have that. Rosak deh. Panda in the vlog, tapi I'll probably be calling her Nikki, which is her real name, a lot more often. So
Guys, this is good. I
Yeah.
didn't expect it to be so.
dia dah curi minum air aku. So in the vlog it should be called Nikki. Just in case you don't know who Nikki is this one right here, okay? We're just killing time because malam ni kita ada setting up for an event that's happening over this weekend called Girls Day Out. Girls Day Out is run by Creatives Lab. It is an event, as the name suggests, memang fokus on perempuan lah, Girls Day Out. So Never More Sure ada booth kat sana. We were blessed enough to be given a booth. So shout out to the organisers of Girls Day Out for having us. We have a special release for this weekend. We have about 4 new items just for this weekend. Somehow we managed to pull it off last minute. In dalam masa 2 minggu kita dah berjaya design dan fully produce a whole line 4 items. Which aku rasa aku bangga juga lah. Aku bangga of me and my team for being able to do that. Walaupun pelik nak cakap aku bangga ke diri sendiri, tapi aku memang bangga diri sendiri aku lah. Ni Nikki. Dah lama tak jumpa dia kan. Rambut dia dah pendek. Tunjuk sikit rambut. Kau tengok rambut dia yang comel. Rambut dia heart shape tau. Kau tengok rambut dia.
Tak ada lah.
Tak ada heart shape.
Tak ada. Yang first one memang heart shape. Heart shape dia macam ni.
Kenapa you potong rambut you?
Lepas tu sebab anak laki pendek. So So actually it's less heart shape already.
Sebenarnya dia tak main dengan, dia bukan main dengan rambut dia tau. Dia tak tunjuk muscle dia.
Yeah.
She's been going to the gym. She is no longer the fragile girl that you know, even though she wasn't really fragile last time.
Am I fragile? I don't think I have that image though.
Yeah, you're kind of small though.
No, I'm not. I'm big. See my muscle?
Wow, what lagi? Oh, look at it on my camera. Look at it on my new Sony A7 IV. Okay, aku dah tak kacau dia. We're just gonna have a peaceful time over here, chilling. We got maybe about an hour-ish left before I gotta get back to work. So, just spending the Friday night with her when I have the chance. Bila ada masa. Alright. Skirt. Nikki, bagi skirt sikit.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, hello. Apa kita buat kat sini?
Okay guys, hari ni kita tengah prepare barang-barang untuk esok dan hari Ahad. Kita pergi Girls Day Out.
Ini je dan sebelum kita ada office sendiri, maybe in bulan 6 Never More Sure akan pindah masuk office sendiri, but until then this is what's left of our stock. Aku pun tak tahu niaga apa tapi we shall try our best. Tengok market baru, semua perempuan ya kan. Kita jual murah ni. Yes sir. Stock memang tak banyak. Some of these things we never even actually mana tak fokus kat muka aku. Some of these things we never even actually put online because there's not that many pieces left over from events. Ni tak pernah masuk online. Topi Destroy Everything tak pernah masuk online. T-shirt ni pun tak pernah masuk online. T-shirt plain ni. So actually never more sure kita jarang letak barang online sebab orang yang handle website tu memang pemalas sikit. Siapa
Farhan.
Boy jaga finance, jaga e-commerce, shipping,
HR aku. Akulah boy. I am boy. Ni railing kita. 2 railing aku rasa cukup.
Kita buka kat sana.
Buka kat sana kot. Rasa sampai-sampai benda lain kan.
Dia benda lain macam mana?
Itulah kalau kita dah sampai sana. Aku macam malas nak buka sekarang.
Kalau buka sekarang kita bawa je.
Bawa gunting.
Kalau tak ni nanti kita boleh refund.
Sekarang pukul berapa? Tengok kita semalam
Pukul 12 tu lah.
pukul 12 baru kita
Boy aku tanya dah settle ke belum? Aku cakap bos tengah makan. Lepas tu nak buat macam mana?
Aku pun sama dia. Orang cakap
Aduh, dah settle belum?
belah-belah boleh balik lah.
So kita tengah cari seluar sebab brother kita boleh seluar terkoyak belum
Tak payah buka.
belum sampai seluar terkoyak. So nasib baik we have a clothing brand kan.
Tapi saya ada unreleased ni.
Dan
Logo separuh jalan.
mana? Kau punya
Logo separuh jalan.
unik. Jangan tunjuk QC kita teruk macam tu.
Sebab tu dah release.
Ni vlog yang paling pointless tapi aku rasa orang mungkin akan entertain.
Yeah.
Kan? Cuba tengok dari jauh. Orang mungkin akan entertain because this is the reality of owning a clothing brand.
Yep.
Packing stuff. Inilah sebab dia kenapa aku tak nak tukar kereta. Sebab kereta ni sangat berjasa. Dia dah beat up, but then I can fit all of these things inside. Semua ni. Apa kau tanya? Apa kau tanya?
Flashy kau.
Mana? Oh. Panda belikan dulu.
Gasket alien.
Jam PJ nama dia. Jam PJ.
Jam PJ bukan gasket alien.
Kalau aku rasa kalau kau check gasket early kat waist masih ada kot. Tapi kau kena turun bawah. Kau masuk, kau kena turun loading dia kat bawah.
Belah belakang.
Okay guys, another milestone for Never More Show sebab kita ada Android player. Kalau tak nak kena pakai AUX, aku kena tarik. Tanya Hans boleh pakai, cucuk masuk AUX.
dia pendek, sangkut kan.
Sangkut, dia rasa macam short sikit. Kalau tergerak sikit tak boleh. So
Disconnected
sekarang,
dah tak.
disconnected. Sekarang kita dah ada Android player.
Ya, boleh. Ni. Inilah terima kasih kepada semua orang yang support Never More Sure.
Kita berjaya beli Android player.
Kita berjaya upgrade kita punya sound system. Dah tak perlu beli kereta baru. Alhamdulillah. Because we love this Suzuki. This Suzuki has been everywhere. Suzuki ni lah dari start sampai sekarang. This has been the witness to the journey lah. Dia dah bawa kita places. Betul tak?
Betul.
Sebelah memang menari tu.
Lama aku masih mencoba.
Mungkinkah ku begini sampai bila-bila? Alamak, Datuk.
Dia dengar dia di page lirik dia bukan tu.
Aku tahu lirik dia bersahaja.
Macam casual tak
Bersahaja aku tahu.
MT Page dah lah power dah lah orang Kelang macam kau. Support lah orang home. Macam mana dah barang dah start lah. Aku tak boleh buka one handed, kau kena buat.
Yup.
We are at sampai Jam PJ where the event is going to take place. We are unloading. Memang bagusnya kita datang lambat sebab kalau datang lambat dah sudah lah baju neighborhood.
Dah macam kain buruk kau tahu letak dalam kereta.
So we are going to unload the stuff now. Kita ada bagusnya kita datang lambat because tak ada orang.
Because of
Ni bukan get ready with me. They technically get ready with me. Get ready with us to berniaga. Troli gerak sendiri. Aku jumpa
kat bawah.
the place where I belong. Sampah basah sahaja. Aku dah tu, sampah basah. Bias ni dulu aku rasa takkan orang nak curi stand ni kot. Ini apa yang aku ambil. Apa? Dia dalam yang berekon. Belah kanan. Ni Jambox.
Jambok
Dalam tu. Apa tu? Wey. Wah, baru beli kamera baru untuk event kau tahu tak? Dah ni. Ni siapa ni? Model terkemuka. Aku baru beli kamera baru tu.
Yeah, how are you?
Okay, I'm good. How are you?
Good too.
Kita mana? Kita sini ke sana? I know we at a corner somewhere. Sana. Hey, gelap tak kenal. A74. A74 second hand. So kita sebelah Om. Ni. Kita kat sini. Ingat nak orang nak buat collab juga, dia orang buat accessories.
So that's it.
Bats and bows. Pasang salah tapi dia kata tak apa, tak ada cameraman. Dia pulak dia tak. Right now, masih sampai was about 12:30. Right now is 1:30. 1 hour setup. 1 hour setup. So this is how it looks like right now. We got this right here for caps and all that. We're going for an L-shaped layout kali ni. Kita ada brother kat sini, tapi dia kurang satu tangan. Sebab kau pasang dua-dua tangan, dia akan block the design over there. So dia akan jadi shanks untuk event ni.
Besok balik hari ni
She starts her new diet of liquor and never more sure. The sun goes down and so does she. The sun goes down and so does she. Like Hollywood but Lace in Dreams. Kalau korang nak tahu, ini sebenarnya reference lirik Bohemian Horizon. Pray for Plagues is actually ni, she starts her new diet of liquor and never more sure. Tapi sebab aku nak censorkan, aku letak dia patutnya she starts a new diet of liquor and dick.
Halal.
Berarti kita halal. Because we don't really want her to start a new diet of liquor and dick. Kita pun tak tahu macam mana tu.
Okay, let's go.
Kotak, jangan buat sampah apa kata. Meja ni kita yang caututkan ke? Oh, ni meja kita kan?
Kena cakap dengan
Beritahu jangan. Ini dia organising team. Rasa sampai pukul apa korang ada kat sini? Sampai fit muntah? Sampai fit muntah. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Meja tu kita tak guna tau. Meja besar. Kena multi talented. Semua benda kena buat.
Aku boleh juga rap. Aku rap. Ini dia yo.
Okay, jauh. Thanks
Okay, sama.
Hey, do a kickflip. Dia bunny hop, bye. Laser flip satu. So guys, with that ends the very first vlog using the new camera. Sorry kalau benda bergegar ke apa. I'm not using a grip. I'm literally just holding the camera like that. So yeah, aku pun tak tahu apa point video ni sebenarnya. I would title it Get Ready With Me to become a vendor in the event. Kalau korang tak tahu what goes on,
get ready for day 1 tomorrow.
that's another vlog. Let's go. Thank you to everyone who has supported Nevermore Sure. Kau boleh nampak, we are going.
Thank you for the support. We managed to get a new audio player.
Aku baru sedar one thing. Wallet aku tak bawa poket aku macam kosong ke? Yelah kot, aku tak bawa kot. Macam tadi macam selama je keluar. Apa-apa pun, empty page, hit us up. Nak buat collab, or I'm gonna hit you up. Lulu hatiku bila Sudah lah.